Hey guys, this is Homework 6. This is the second video. So let me start off this second video with my statement that I made like 6 times at the end of the first one. Nothing can be on the zero layer. Nothing. Okay, let me realign this road real quick. I backed up a few steps just in case. Boom, it's aligned. I'm going to change this from a single family to a community. We're about to make this community lot here in a second. Open space. Cool. Now, I've asked you to make this community lot whatever you want. I'm inherently lazy, so I go online and you can download blocks for free. A lot of companies have them. They have parking spaces, baseball diamonds, trees, roads, picnic tables, lakes, pools, tennis courts, football, whatever you can think of. Just type in AutoCAD's like community block or whatever. In case you guys are skeptical about downloading stuff, I have a link in the homework assignment. I give you 3, so it's the same way of inserting a block. So I'd go insert. I'd find where I saved them. So this is a baseball diamond. Come on, little buddy. Okay, that's way too big. So I'm going to shrink it down. Move it over here. Scale. Base point right there. 1 divided by 100. Let's make it 100 times smaller. There it is now. Let's move it into our property. That's a little too small. So we're going to scale it up. If I can spell scale correctly. Factor of 2. I'm going to rotate it. Okay. And I want everyone to notice this. This is on the zero layer right now. It is on the zero layer. It is on the zero layer. So if I turn this in right now, I would get a 0. So I have to move it to another layer. Okay. Anything you insert as a block defaults to the 0 layer because 0 is a placeholder. So I have that. I have a couple trees I gave you. Some things like that. We want to add some labels to these parcels. By labels, I mean bearings and distances, like we just had you do. So in Annotate, I'm going to do Add Labels. I want parcel, multiple segments. Click the parcel. Boom. Oh, look at that. That's so cool. Oh, come here. So now if you notice, 220 feet at north 0,0,0,0,0,0,0. The only one that should be, 45 degrees southwest. So it measured from there down because it went clockwise, so it's going this way. If I did this counterclockwise, it'd be the opposite. Parcel, multiple segments. I want this counterclockwise, CO. CO. Didn't like that for some reason. Be gone, label. CO. Boom. Now it's northeast. It really doesn't matter. Same thing. But I want this community lot to look actually like a community lot. Like this would be garbage. You probably wouldn't get all your points for this. Trees, ponds, lakes. But you need to make sure nothing's on the 0 layer. You should probably do some layer management. Like up here, you should make new layers and then filter them. Like homework 4, whatever. Something else, homework 4, something else. Right, and then filter. Suggestion, I'm not making you do anything. I also, this one is not required for you to do the title block insert. We'll get to how you deal with this next week. But you do need a graphic scale, proper engineering scale. If this thing is 700, this is 1,000 feet, your 200 one that you've used for the last one probably isn't acceptable. I'd go a little bit bigger. I'd make it 500 feet long, or yeah, 500 feet's not bad. You don't have to worry about scaling it. Let's look at the rubric real quick. 6 1-acre properties, 1, 2, 3, whatever. We kind of changed it a little bit, so it should be 4 1-acre properties, 3 and then 2 extra. 1 large community lot, parcel labels, parcel line labels, road parcel, cul-de-sac, road stationing, graphic scale, name of drawing. So yeah, I got to change that in the rubric, but this is what it should look like with the graphic scale. So there should be some graphic scale, and you should put your units. Nothing on the 0 layer. Also, just a reminder, when you insert something as a block, it automatically goes to the 0 layer. Once again, if you have questions, you can always email me, Casey Lambert or Tyler Faulkner or Professor Connor at any time. I think after this week we're going to start picking our groups for the final project. You'll use a lot of this in the final project, so it's good to understand this, how to do it, and what things actually do. Other than that, my directions I made are pretty step-by-step, so you technically don't have to watch my videos, but who wouldn't? I mean, this is less than 20 minutes and we've done all this. So you can definitely get this one done in class. No problem. That's pretty much it. I'll see you in class.